If you want faster results with your tattoo removal, there's something really important you need to understand. Tattoo removal is not just about the laser. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it breaks the ink up, but it doesn't actually remove the ink from your body. That's what your immune system does. Once you understand that, everything about laser removal and getting faster results actually starts to make a bit more sense. Today, I'm going to talk about this in much more detail and to help you understand how the lymphatic system removes the ink and what booster treatments you can do to get faster results. When we laser, what it actually does is it passes through the skin, it hits the ink particles and it breaks them up into smaller pieces. Then your immune system recognizes that as waste, comes along and filters that out through your lymphatic system. That's why tattoo removal is a process. Fading happens gradually between treatments and it's not instant. So if you have a compromised immune system or if you're not feeling 100%, these things can slow down the results. This is exactly why supporting the body during tattoo removal makes such a big difference. One of the services we offer in between your tattoo removal is skin needling. What this process involves is using tiny little needles to create micro channels over the tattoo area, and what that does is it stimulates your body's natural healing response. You might be wondering how this would benefit your tattoo removal and your results. When we create this response in between your laser treatments, what it's actually doing is it's stimulating blood flow to the area, it's improving collagen, regenerating the skin, and we're also working at a depth where the ink particles are sitting in the skin. So it's actually helping break up more of that ink in between your treatments as well, and creating that second immune response apart from the laser to really get more ink out of the body. So more circulation to that area equals more fading. Once you understand that concept, it's easy to see other areas that we can also help with. If there's any scarring in the area, again, skin needling is a great treatment for that because it's helping regenerate that skin, and often we'll see that scarring lower in the density and improve very significantly. Other areas that we can help with as well are hypo and hyperpigmentation. If there's any darkening or lightening of the skin, again, that regeneration in between your laser treatments will help eliminate that. And lastly, if there's any really stubborn colors of ink, so we're talking about yellows, whites, sometimes whites that have oxidized, those really light reflective colors can be very hard for the laser to pick up. But when we combine the laser with skin needling, we're really targeting those stubborn colors to help that removal process. We recommend coming in 4 weeks after your laser just to give the skin time to heal in between each treatment. If you'd prefer an at-home option, we also offer dermal rollers and they have a great benefit as well. Now let's talk about something that's incredibly underrated in tattoo removal: lymphatic massage. So we talked about how the body removes the ink, which is through the lymphatic system. So if we're going to stimulate that type of response, we want to be doing something like lymphatic massage, because what that's going to do is it's going to help clear out that ink from your lymphatic system. This is usually a full body massage and really quite gentle. It can help reduce swelling and inflammation and really support the immune system to get rid of those particles of ink. We have seen some incredible results coming back from clients that have been combining their laser treatments with the lymphatic massage. We'd recommend doing them in between your laser treatments, just like the skin needling. Clients often ask us how they can get faster results, and what we've discussed today are the perfect ways to do this. When you support circulation, collagen production, and lymphatic flow, you're really giving your body everything it needs to work more efficiently. If you're investing time, money, and commitment into tattoo removal, it really makes sense to support this process properly. You can access both of these treatments within our clinic, and if you have any questions about whether these treatments are right for you, feel free to get in touch. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, or even share it with someone that's going through tattoo removal to help benefit them as well.